Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: fresh batteries or a charged pack, and a secure mount 6 to 8 feet high. Power the unit and enter setup mode. You should see a steady LED or power indicator. Once done, position the sensor to face the main approach path, not windows. Make sure to avoid direct sunlight or heat sources; those create false triggers. You're ready for the first actionable calibration step. Initiate sensitivity adjustment and watch the live indicator while someone walks the primary route. You now refine how the detector senses motion. Lower sensitivity to reduce false alarms, or increase it to catch subtle movement. Walk test the area in 10 to 15 foot increments while observing the signal or app feedback. Once done, set range limits and shape the detection cone with the device angle. This reduces triggers from side streets. Make sure to enable pet immunity or exclusion zones if small animals are present, and retest after each change so you can see the immediate effect. You finish by integrating the detector with your hub or app and verifying alerts, recordings, and automation triggers. Run a full system test, multiple passes from different angles during day and night, and confirm notification timing. Once done, document working settings. If things go wrong, frequent false alarms, no detection, or missed events, reboot the device first, reseat or replace batteries, then perform a factory reset only if necessary. This clears corrupt settings and starts calibration fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.